My name is Aubrey Cardoza. I am the AmeriCorps Environmental Education Coordinator here at Mason Conservation District. In the heart of Shelton, Callanan Park Community Garden is growing more than just food. It's growing connection, resilience, and opportunity. The garden began through a partnership between the City of Shelton, Hope Garden Project, and Mason Conservation District, with the shared vision of creating a space where people could grow their own food. When Cielo joined the partnership, that vision deepened. Cielo's work with immigrant and refugee families brought new energy, knowledge, and joy to the garden. At a recent workshop, families learned how to use season-extending tools to protect their crops and to grow more food into the colder months. Mason Conservation District works to improve food security across Mason County by connecting underserved communities with land, tools, and trainings. Thanks to the power of partnership and our community, Callanan Park is more than a garden. It's a place of belonging, learning, and growth. To learn more or to get involved, visit masoncd.org.